Meaning of encouraging.
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 Encouraging. Encouraging refers to behavior or language that is intended to inspire confidence or support in someone. When we encourage others, we are expressing our belief in their abilities and potential for success, which can boost their motivation and self-esteem. Encouragement can take many forms, including praise, positive feedback, constructive criticism, and expressions of empathy and understanding. Ultimately, the goal of encouragement is to help others overcome obstacles and achieve their goals, building stronger relationships and a more positive outlook on life in the process.